Test. Hey, now you guys hear me? My mic was not working. I wasn't muted, but it wasn't working. Good morning, fellas. Good morning. Good morning. Let's go. It is Monday morning, and it's time to go. Good morning, everybody. Market is open. Now what is going on here? What is going on? My price isn't moving. Oh, never mind. I'm on the daily chart. I'm an idiot. Okay, now we're talking. Loud and clear. Thank you. Timbo, good morning. Vodkin, good morning. Peter Shapp, good morning. NP, Snail, Carngill, Namak, Jim Rays. Good morning, everybody. Let's have us a day. What do you say? Rosie, excuse me. Rosie Rose, good morning. Black Coffee, good morning. Goan Trades, good morning. We are selling off here at the open. Very interesting indeed. Down through the 240s, looking at the 230s. The gap fill is going to be at the 180s. Low of the session is 170. So, I don't know, man. What's this market wanting to do? Does she want to keep going lower? Looks like we were going to keep dropping here. She ripping, boys. Looks like the volatility's still here. What is that handle on the green and red for Ninja Trader? Green and red. You mean this? This is the chart trader with affordable indicators chart trader. Getting a little bit of a bounce here. Okay, we are getting a bounce here off the 220s. All the way up to the 260s. Might have trapped the shorts here. Good morning, Soul Search Gurus. Good morning. And we're all the way back up to the 280s. Test the 280s, and now we're all the way down to the 250s. Telling you what, this market is volatile. Let's see. I mean, we need to get above this 292 to get above the 300s here to really have a shot. And then maybe we go test the highs here if we can get above the 290s. It's looking pretty bullish here. See if we can push above the 290s here. And right back down. Doesn't look good for the bulls. Cannot get above the 290s. I'm on micros this week. The volatility killing me. Yeah, in the mock, it's not a terrible idea. I've been trading trading a little more micros recently than I have in the past. It's just been crazy. Oh no, design. No. Hey, good morning, Jose. Good morning, design. Good morning, Kid Poker. Good morning. YM is straight down. So does that mean it's bullish for NQ? 500 points up or down. I mean, honestly, anymore, a 300-point move in a day is kind of the normal. Like, if we don't get more than a 300-point move in a day, then it's like, what are we even doing? What are we even doing? But this is looking kind of bearish. If I was super, hang on, what am I doing? See if we go take out the lows here. And okay, that's a pretty good move for. Let's see. Can we get above the 290s here? If we do, the bulls are looking pretty strong. But we got to push it. Here we go. Right at the 290s. Let's see if we break. See if we rip through this 290. All right, we're ripping. Okay, here we go. Up at the 320s. I mean, you got to think we're going to look at taking out the 360s here. There she goes. 325 above the 320s. Pulling back. pull them back through the 300s again. We come back and test the 290s here. Be tempting to try out some micros. All right, I'm going to see if we can't get something going here. All right, I'll take it. We shall take it. Still volatile. Man. Shameless. It's shameless new highs. I know it's early, but can you explain the DCA for Apex, please, Jose? Pretty simple. Actually, it should be simple. It's a little bit complicated, or some people don't understand. For example, let's say you enter long. Let's say you enter long at the 340s. Price goes against you. You're allowed to add to a losing trade one time. So let's say you add to your losing position here on VWAP. You cannot add to your position again until it's above your initial entry. That's the key. So if you enter up here at the 340s and then you enter again at the 280s, your break-even price is going to be somewhere around the 320s. But if you get above the 320s, it's going to show like you're in green, but it's your initial entry that you can't add again. You can add to your winning positions all you want. Anyone plain request not come through for Apex payout? Normally it's next day, Namok. Yeah, I don't use the plane. I'm not sure. Yeah, anyone else? Hey, eat what you kill, trader. Good morning. Or Daryl will show up and he'll flick your ear if you start DCAing. All right, market, what's going to be here? We're just chilling here at the 310s. Can't get above the 330s. Let's see what happens here. Okay, here we go. Can we get through the 300s? Or the 330s, I mean. There she goes. There she rips. 340s now. This is looking pretty bullish. Maybe, dang it, I should have been trading my other accounts and I didn't. Hey, good morning, Win. Good morning. How we doing? How we doing? How's everyone? How was everyone's weekend? Hey, good morning, John. Good morning, John. How we doing? You know what we did this weekend? We had youth camping. So we're youth sponsors at our church, and we had youth camping this weekend, and it was a lot of fun. So Saturday morning, we were trying to get a lot of youth guys together. We were planning, we were going to go to do some golfing, but all the local golf courses, no tee times. So we couldn't golf. but we had a ball diamond where we were at, and we ended up we created our own course. It was a par 3 course, but we created our own course in the grass. It was actually a lot of fun. Wow. Okay, we broke the overnight hose. I said overnight hose. Excuse me, I meant overnight highs. I combined highs and lows, and I got hose. I meant overnight highs. We broke the overnight highs here at the 360s. Let's see. After Friday, I am still scarred. Does it affect? I'm sure it does, at least some of you. But after Friday, this move right here, this move, hang on, if I can ever get there. Here. This move right here, I have PTSD from it, like for real. And I don't know, but man, that one got me. Man, oh man, I panicked. If you didn't know, I did lose a 250K account on Friday because of this move. I literally panicked for the first time in a long time, where I actually panicked, and I just like in one of those split-second decisions, I closed my stop loss and canceled my stop loss, thinking, we're going to wick back up, and basically my thought was I'll be able to get out for like an $800 loss. And it just never happened. Never happened. Completely wrecked that account. Really sucked because that account had like $3,400 in profit already, and $3,400 just poof disappeared into thin air like magic. Yeah, Penny, a few minutes ago when you started talking about hose. Yeah, we try not to go down that road on this channel, but oh man. That's too funny. All right, market. We might just take out the highs here, the overnight session, and now go all the way back down. We all know that's happened. We all know that's something that's not that unusual. Now pulling back all the way to the 330s. She going down. See what, we're just gonna be patient. Gonna be patient. Let's see what happens. Okay, trying to make a move. Man, it'd be tempting to go for a move higher here, but I'm scared. I'm afraid this might have just taken out the highs, and now we go a lot lower. I'm just gonna wait. Gonna be patient. down 1K overnight. And you're even now, John? Oh, man. I would at least size down. Size down, and it also might not be a terrible time to just call it a day. Yes, John. Yes, V. Wilson Analytics. Yes, I follow. I've been following them for a long time. That's awesome to see. They got approved payout, and I love it. Yeah, I was actually in contact. They sent me an email, and they had some questions on different things that I've been in contact with V. Wilson Analytics. But yeah, very cool. You're leaving for Vegas tomorrow. Really, Designed? You're actually leaving for Vegas tomorrow? Let's go. Hey, I wish you luck, man. Yes, I know. I saw that the payout approved. Let's go. V. Wilson Analytics. I was very happy to see that. That's awesome. Kind of question: can we still flip 2 days out of the 10 days? And what is considered flipping? Flipping is considered getting in on one micro and getting out immediately. That is what's considered flipping. If you trade all day and you end the day like break even or like $5 in the red or green, that is not considered a flipping day. Trading on the phone is hard. Yeah, it is. It is. All right, we pulled all the way back here to the 300s. And I'm just not sure that I want to trust. Man, right here would be the place to go in, though. Oh, I was a little hesitant. Should have pulled the trigger there. Oh, man, I should have pulled the trigger there. Hey, Brass Donkey, good morning. Let's see. We might get some support here off the 300s. Maybe we, wow, what a nice. Should have pulled the trigger there on the 305s. Just wasn't quick enough. I don't want to chase this, though. No need to chase. Let's see. I'm very curious if we continue higher here. If we continue higher here and make new highs, then I'm definitely going to be very bullish biased today. Yeah, now pull them back. Yeah, not going to trust this. Hey, Seek, Find, Grow. Good morning. Good to see you. Here's Johnny. Good morning. Yo, yo, yo. Apex going to flag me for being Canadian trading in Miami and then the Bahamas this week. No, Matty Matt. Just, I mean, you can easily show. One thing I always do, Matty Matt, is like take pictures as you're traveling, because then it's easy to prove and easy to show that you were actually there. But I've never had an issue when I was traveling. I even traded from Jamaica, and then I traded when I was in Montana. I traded when I was in Colorado, and no issues. Thank you, Seek Fine Row. Thank you, and same to you. Let's be profitable today. I definitely missed my entry right here on the 305s. Feels bad. Feels bad. I saw that this morning news, Take Profit Trader, you can now have 5. You can now have up to 5 pro accounts instead of just 3. So that's interesting news. They have a 50% off now. Their other promotion ended, but I was thinking to myself, I don't know what good it does for me to have 5. I can't pass 1 funded account. So I'm not sure what good 5 will do me. But for those that are actually good traders, maybe that would make a difference. They're kind of following in Top Step's footsteps. That's kind of a weird saying. Okay, now pull them back again. I don't like this. I think we might just kind of trade sideways here. And then we got to wait, see which way it's going to break. Well, maybe not. This thing could go. Hey, let's go, Orlando. You've hit your profit goals on all of your accounts? Wow, let's go. That's so fun. I'm not having a terrible morning so far. I actually had a great overnight trade here. The Behemoth account is alive and well. The Behemoth account, we now have at $12,000 profit. And looking good. Looking good. It is, I will say, man, it is kind of, how would I send Take Profit Trader an email asking them to define the in and out rule for trades on pro accounts. I like to scout. Let's see what they say. Oh, yeah. Let me know what they say, John. I'd be curious. When do I sleep? Here's Johnny. So that was last night. Most of the trades, that was, well, these 2 accounts and this account was all from trading at the open last night. Or basically, it was very close to the open. But man, we're going to break out here and make new highs. But I traded from right here, from here all the way up to here. I traded until about midnight. And it was some nice price, really nice price action. If I see that price action, then usually I'll just stick around. All right. Can we get above the 360s? The fact we did not pull back more than this does sound very promising for the bulls. Very bullish. But we got to get above the 360s. Got to make new highs. Now we just wait. Copy trading 20 accounts is not for the weak. No, Brandon, I don't copy trade. I trade all my accounts separately. That's why you see them with different account balances. Right now I have one account in the red, trying to my one account in the red. I got trapped right here. This pullback, this nice hammer candle entered here, and I got trapped, got taken out somewhere in here. All right, we're above the 370s. We're above the 75s. This is looking very bullish. I like this. I like it. Now we just got to wait for a good pullback, and I think we can trust the pullbacks. Or we have to trust the pullbacks and then just honor our stops this time. No canceling stops. That's the key. That's the key. No more canceling the stops and freaking out. Yeah, definitely not looking to go along here. I want to wait. And again, now the candle, now this thing's closing lower. Yikes. The session high Friday was 390. Actually, I'll tell you exactly what the session high was Friday. I have it seared into my memory. 397.75. I still can't believe I didn't get filled. Okay, this is a good, looking good for the bulls. Trust the pullbacks, the last words before a waterfall red candle. Yeah, Mario. I know. I've been there. I have been there. Those 60-point red candles, oh, they're the death of me. Hey, let's see if we pull back more. Yep, here we go, down to the 340s again. Do I want to take this? Being hesitant. Should have pulled the trigger right there. Okay, now I'm glad I didn't jump in there. All right, let's see. Are we gonna rip this thing? Hey, Kraken. How we doing? Good morning, Steven. Pathak, good morning. Man, I'm so... Like, that is one thing I've noticed with my trading, like, after a day like Friday, where I just get absolutely smashed on that one trade. I have a harder time trusting my setups. I have a harder time pulling the trigger. And I really shouldn't. That shouldn't affect it that much, but it does. Steven, when does 85 a lifetime for Apex PA 150 counts ending? August 15th is when that promotion ends. That's for the PA activation fee ends August 15th, but the special deal where you can get the evals for basically $40, that is ending July 31st, which is Wednesday at midnight. Wednesday night, midnight, the eval promotion part of it is ending. But then if you pass, you can basically buy evals until the 31st midnight, and then you can pass them and you can activate. You have until August 15th to activate them. Whoa, look at that big red. See, like right here, this is why. Oh, I hate those candles with a passion. Thank God I'm not in a trade. I literally just got out of a trade, literally. Quest to pay on the 17th is still not approved yet. Should I be worried? I mean, Phil, and then technically not until after the 31st. Then I would... Don't do anything until after the 31st. If you don't hear anything back by the 31st, then submit a support ticket, because you should definitely hear back and have approved or denied by the 31st. Double my daily goal today. Wow, let's go, Orlando. Congratulations. And no more trading for you. No more trading for you, Orlando. Don't do it. All right, we're down here at the 320s again. This has been a good place to buy, but I'm just going to be honest. I'm scared. Scared money don't make money. Is that how it goes, I think? But I'm just a little scared. I'm scared. I'm scared. Afraid this thing loses the 320s, the 310s, and then we just continue to drop. All right, obviously, right here at the 290 is going to be an important level. But right now, this thing's getting kind of wild. She getting kind of wild. 300 levels. We're right here at the VWAP. Man, volatility is insane. Is there new? I mean, hold it. What is going on here? Some crazy volatility here. It's almost like my price is freezing at times. Someone, is that just me? Man, it'd be tempting to go along right here. I'll need to make a poll. Will Apex extend their 80% sale once again? Yeah, that's true. Soul Search. Odds are, yeah, I mean, I don't even know, but I'm going to steal one from 0 Day J. Apex's habitual sale extenders. Sale extenders. There she goes. I am now going to not trade. I'm not trading this trash. I hate you, market. I hate when it does this. Oh. Hang on, I need to get some water. And we're back. What a move lower. Wow. 100-point move lower. Just, yeah, that's how she does it. Are we going to test the lows? Hey, Bill, making money. Wait for bounce and then short. Yeah, I mean, this is where I kind of just don't know how this is where I just really don't have any setups. I don't get really, and I mean, I could, if I would be more convicted on shorting this market, I would. I just have a hard time. This is where I have a hard time with it. When we're doing these V-shaped moves, that's usually when it's a sign I just need to watch. I just need to be on the sideline and wait. Wait till volatility dies down at least. Down to the 250s. I mean, at this point, if we take out the 220s, I mean, you got to think we're going to test the 170s. at some point, but who knows? If we don't make a new low here, then I guess it's still pretty bullish sign for the bulls if we don't make a new low. Hey, R5 Studios, good morning. Good morning to you. Nor Auto Trading, good morning. Greg, how we doing? Amakri, hey, good morning, Amakri. Duck lovers. Hey, maybe we can have another duck race today, huh? Let's see how we end. Ooh, man. Oh, man. See, now it wants to tempt me. She wants to go and rip it. Hey, Amin, good morning. Professional day trader, good morning. Micros are the best. Good feels. Yeah. I mean, micros right now in this volatile market is actually a pretty good way to make money. So far, I've only traded micros so far this morning. This is where I struggle with my trading because I'm bullish on the day. So I feel like buying right here would be a good, I like it. But if this is going to continue, then this is just a pullback, and this would actually be a good entry for a short. So feel like if I go long here, I'm trying to catch a V-shaped move. But at the same time, I just don't trust going short. I just don't. I can't help it. Hang on, I have to take this call. I'm back. Yeah, professional day trader, right? In this volatility, Apex and all prop firms it's easy to blow accounts if you don't size correctly. That's what happened to me on Friday. And it's also, I feel like this kind of trading, like this kind of market is also very difficult to be profitable if you have a tight stop loss in this kind of market. I feel like you're asking for trouble. Like you can be right on direction and then you can be wrong because you're stopped. Like you can get stopped out so quickly, so easily. Which is why if I use micros, I can have a bigger stop loss. Just to me makes sense. Okay, man, testing the VWAP here. Will we rip here? See, like right here would be like to go long, but I don't want to. I just don't want to do it. See, we get above the, we need to get above the VWAP, get above the 300s. This thing could run. She could go. Yeah, here we go. She ripping. I mean, the fact we didn't make new lows is pretty bullish. Oh, now we're rejecting again. Whew, finally got my... Oh, look at that rip. I mean, this is pretty bullish, though. We failed to make a new low. But now, if I enter right here, I feel like I could just get chopped around. She's still going. Oh, man. Hey, thanks for the sub, Ivano. Appreciate that. Appreciate that. It's kind of important level here. Right here at the 310s. Had some previous resistance here. I could see this thing rolling back down. Let's see. Yeah, here it goes. Pull them back. This is where you just kind of get chopped around. All the way back down to the 280s. Have you seen your Apex sales falling, Rad Poker? Like regarding affiliate, yeah, not really though. Okay, so well, let me look. It was not as much as I thought it would be, to be honest. With all the issues they've had, you know, there's a lot of people still using Apex. That's all I'm saying. But I'll give you a good baseline. So, I mean, this is obviously just based off of my own April and May. So, like, April and May were crazy months, And then June was June was less, but now July is back. Not quite to the level that April, May were, but it's and it's not far off. So, Shane Chase, hey, I do appreciate though. I appreciate people using my code. I really do. I really, really do. But I feel like I don't say this enough. So I do want to say thank you. Thank you, whoever has used my code. I really do appreciate it. And I don't know how sometimes I feel kind of unworthy of it. And but hey, you use whoever. My thing is use whoever's code that you support. Don't use Apex default code, whatever you do. That's always my thing. Just don't use Apex's code. They don't need more money. Not saying that I need more money, but at least support someone else you know. Doesn't have to be me. And if you choose me, then that's great. And I love it. And I do appreciate it. But just don't do the save now codes. Just use NBT. I mean, it's easy to remember. And rumor has it that my code is the best code and has the best pass rate and the best payout rate. Rumor has it. According to, I think I heard 0 Day J mention that. I love you, 0 Day J. Oh, that's awesome. The eval with my code always lasts longer. Hey, let's go, Matty Matt. We're at payout. Let's go, Matt. That's awesome. Let's go. Round of applause for Matty Matt. And I'm sorry, Mario. Don't apologize. Don't. Okay, we're making a move higher again. Excuse me. Excuse me. God day. Oh, wow. Now look, immediately rejected. Yeah, this market's now just very choppy. I don't know which way it wants to go. The market doesn't know which way it wants to go. Yeah, exactly. It does. It's such a relief if you've been grinding to get an account across the threshold. Go celebrate, Matty Matt. Let's go. Love it. Ace undercover. I have a guys discuss that take profit announced. Yes, I did mention that earlier. I said I did mention that. Oh, look at that move lower. Okay, is this going to be a move down below the 220s here? Or just another, fake out and we rip higher? Who knows? She ripping lower. This is definitely looking pretty bearish. Let's see. See if we just go right through this prior low here. Hmm. You're in Miami going to go buy a Lambo. Easy there. uh, you don't like Apex anymore, Ryan? Well, thankfully for you, Ryan, you do not have to like him. It is a free country. You are allowed to change to a different prop firm. Imagine that. John. The Dow, wait, is the Dow also ripping lower now today? Oh, wow, I see that. Look at that. The Dow actually interesting. So does that mean I don't know what that means. I'm not going to try and figure it out either. See if we get a pop here. See, this is the kind of price action that's hard for me to trade. Have I gotten denied? I had one payout denied because I went over the 30% consistency rule. Yes. But I did go over the 30% rule, and we just, you know, keep trading. And actually, I haven't requested a payout on that account since then, but hopefully on looks like Thursday we can request a payout. I'll be able to request a payout, I think, on 3 of my accounts for this payout period for 6,000. So wait, so Lambos do make boats? Oh, I see. Interesting. Yeah, Tech 11. Hey, if you wanna use Fast Track Trader, be my guest. Go for it. Don't come crying to me though when if they rug pull you. Uh, from his wife. No, what? Hang on, I didn't see this. That's too funny. Yeah, I use flexi trades as well. Yes, why not? I love how I love how they're spinning it. I love how Fast Track Trading is spinning it that they don't accept credit cards because there's too much fraud. Like they're spinning it into trying to make people believe that the reason they don't accept credit cards is because people, take advantage of them. When in reality, the reason they don't take credit cards in reality is you can't get your money back. If they do decide to rug pull, it's just too bad. No way you're getting your money back. And the other reason is they probably have a hard time getting approved. Yeah, Ryan, we were talking about earlier that Take Profit now does 5. You can now have 5 pro accounts. Change their drawdown rules. Yeah, Ryan, I doubt they will, but I mean, I think that would definitely make him a lot better. Me personally, like, I'm so used to trading with an intraday trailing drawdown that it just doesn't really bother me. But yeah. Yeah, exactly, Matt. Basically, Fast Track Trading, you will never get paid out large amounts. No shot. If they don't move you to a live account, they just close the account. So you say goodbye to your profits. But hey, to each his own. I'm not here to tell people what prop firm they should use or not. I'll share if I use it or not, but hey, to each his own. You're all adults. You're all adults. You can decide whatever you want to spend your money on. That is totally up to you. But the other thing with Fast Track Trading, while we're on the subject, like to me it seems kind of expensive. Like I was looking at the prices, especially on the smaller accounts. For example, the 25K account, like let's be honest here. If you buy an Apex account, if you buy an Apex eval and it's a 25K account, you have a 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio on passing or failing the account. With this kind of volatility and a trade at the open, like if you go long on, let's say, if you buy 10 accounts with Apex, you're spending a little bit over 300. Not even that much. I mean, it depends on what sale's going on. But if you just go long and short, like you have a 50% pass rate. I guess, yeah, it depends. It has some variables in it though, with the activation fee. I think what's attractive to people is that they just don't want to pass evals. People just would rather not pass evals. They would rather just pay a lot more for the guaranteed funding. But here's my concern. If regulators, so if regulation comes into this prop firm, the futures prop firm industry, if your regulation comes in, direct funding is not going to pass the sniff test. Ain't no way. In my opinion. If you own the company, would you just put everyone into a funded account? No, you wouldn't. Design, exactly. They kick you. Is Apex still paying people? Ryan, no, they only paid 35 million last month. But yeah, they're not paying anymore. Only 35 million. But yeah, if you listen to Facebook groups, then of course you're going to believe that Apex hasn't paid anyone in 3 months. That's why you don't listen to people on Facebook. Facebook comments and Facebook posts and people arguing on Facebook is some of the most cringiest thing you can ever participate in my opinion. Well, we failed to make new lows again, and now we're at the 310s again. Let the chop fest continue. Yeah, Facebook is garbage, 100%. For pointing out the obvious. Yeah, I'm sure, Ryan, you were not rude. You didn't say anything wrong. That's always how it goes. No one ever does anything wrong. Just the mere fact that someone actually comments something on Facebook kind of tells me everything I need to know. Election cycle has destroyed all social media platforms. Yeah, exactly, JMB. Don't even get me started. Don't even get me started when talking about religion and talking about politics on any social media platform is the dumbest thing you can do. To me. Because normal people don't comment on Facebook. That's the conclusion that I've come to. Normal people don't comment on Facebook and argue with other people on Facebook. I've been mentioned in the Facebook group a couple times. Oh, geez. Oh, because of the top 10 payouts. I guess that makes sense. I don't even follow them on Facebook, so I wouldn't know. But that's good to know. I don't argue. I just speak the truth. They argue with me. That's too. That explains a lot. Go ahead and trade. That is a good way of looking at it. The problem is, I'm pretty sure everyone else is of the same opinion, and therefore that is why we have this problem. The thing I heard someone mention over the weekend that said something that made me really like it made me really think, and I had to really I had to agree with the statement, and the statement was and it was a challenge, it was a challenge for me, but the statement was someone said that you can tell if a person has wisdom if they can listen to someone's opposing view that they do not agree with, but they don't have a need to argue about it. That's pretty deep. That's deep. But if you have opposing views, and you can still listen to the opposition, and you can listen to them, and without having the need to argue with that person, I think that's some there. I think there's some truth to that, and it was a challenge for me. I definitely have a need. I've found myself where I have a need. Sometimes I just can't be quiet. My mouth usually gets me in trouble. How's your payout this week, Warcries? I mean, I haven't requested any yet, obviously, but I'm hoping I can request 6,000 in payouts this week. That's what I'm hoping. Guess we'll find out. Do you know what happened that Lando trade? Lando trades blew his accounts. He was put in a probation status on some of his accounts, and before he blew the accounts. He didn't really make it known, but that is what happened. But I think he has more. I know that. I think we both, yeah, black coffee. Yeah, I know what you're saying. I know what you're talking about. Google has made everyone a doctor/scientist. Facebook has made everyone a philosophical genius. And then TikTok made everyone a professional videographer. Oh, that's too funny. That's so true, though. It is. And look at that red candle. Once again, we fail to get above the 320s, and now we're just trading in this choppy, yucky range. So I guess we just wait. Want to break 920 or 220s? I mean, you'd think if we're going to break below the 220s here, one of these, we got to make a move. Right now, we're kind of holding this trend right now, but I think I would agree. I think we're going lower. All right, here we go. Below the 250s. But man, look at that. Like this doesn't look like this big of a move, but 320s to the 250s is a 70-point move. And that's a big move. Hey, good morning, Tate. Good morning. Happy Monday to you as well. What man? Watch this thing go all the way back up to the 320s. Oh, that's the crazy. Oh, okay, it's trying. Oh, it's trying. I don't have it in me to go. I just don't want to trade in here at all. And back down we go. I really think we're going to take out these 220s. I think we're taking this. See. See if we can get below the 250s right now are really holding up well for support. See if we get through it. A lot of buyers jumping in. Oh. All right, here we go. Sorry, I was sending an email. Oh, this price action's brutal. Not really in the mood to take any trades here at all. This is why the overnight sessions, I'm not even joking. The overnight sessions seem like I trade them way better. In large part because of this. Like, look at this price action and then look at this price action. Like here and here. Like, it's just easier to trade. It's my story and I'm sticking to it. Hey, take care, Trent. It's going to go up, just not now. It's going to go up at some point in the future. I agree. Hey, good morning, Speed Racer. Jam Bear, good morning. Mikey, good morning. Good. Ava asked me to send 3 days recording of trades. Is this normal? Should I be worried? CA, they are obviously I mean, from what I've been told, if you get asked that first, I mean, just record yourself and send it in. I've heard of multiple people that have been asked to do it and they did it and then they were approved and everything was fine. But basically, from what I was told, is they are suspicious that someone else is trading your account for you. So I've been told. Cray Sports, good morning. How we doing? Curious if I could ask for a reset on a PA account if the trade cover didn't work correctly and blew the account. Eric Yang, I'm sorry, but unfortunately, no. Things that errors that happen on a trade copier, that is just part of the risk that you take when you use trade copiers. I mean, unfortunately, they will. No prop firm will reset your accounts because the trade copiers and stuff messed up. You did record and send it. Well, that's awesome, CA, and I wish you luck. Hopefully, everything will go through and be approved. All right, boys, we are through the 220s. Down she goes. Now, the overnight low is at 170, so there she goes. Down through the 220s. Pornero trades. What are you talking about? Do you know about Apex World Tour? I have no idea what. Oh, wait. Are you talking about the Apex investment? Apex investing? That's different than Apex trading, but I don't know anything about it. Down through the 220s. Now down through the 200s. That's a very quick 20-point sell-off. Right through. No double bottom. Not interested in a double bottom here. Yes, says Trilling Drawdown coming to a marina near you. Banero trades. You cannot post photos or screenshots and stuff into chat. Sorry. But I'm pretty sure you're talking about Apex Investment or Apex Investing. And now we're trying to get a little bit of a move higher. How low will she go? Definitely don't. All right, are we going to get a bounce? I don't know, design. I was curious too. That crazy red bar Friday trading at 150K. I bought 3 minis, was down 2K. Up 1200, then down 6K liquidated market, then screamed higher. No way, John. No way. Oh my gosh. Yeah, that red candle there was absolutely crazy. And then the thing, there wasn't really any news. I couldn't find any news. It's just crazy. See, this would be a good short right here, I feel like. But yeah. Dang it. Is this thing just gonna melt today? Wait, okay. Was confused. 3 E-minis at the price. No way, should have been 6K. Looked at my ninja. What? It bought me for 16? What? Were you copy trading, John, or just one account? Yeah, go log into your R Trader Pro and look at the exact timestamps of when the transactions happened. It was one account at a time. Because I don't trust Ninja Trader, but if you go into R Trader Pro, it'll tell you exactly what time, quantities, everything of how it was traded. Was so quick. Yeah, I bet it was. Yeah, I bet that took about 0.2 seconds. Trying to pass a take profit trader account. That's pretty sure I'm cursed. Okay, I'm going to do this. I'm going to take this short. I don't know. Okay. Okay. Let's go. I would love to get this to the lows. Stop at break even. We're just going to trail this stop down. Let's see if we can get a runner going. I don't want to get my hopes up, but I wouldn't be shocked if this thing stops us out. If it does, it is what it is. But I'd like to get it. My target's going to be right here at the low of the day of the overnight session. If we get it, fine. If we don't, it's fine too. Really need a big red boner candle. Flush it. Flush it. Rip through the 90s here. Come on. You can do it. You can do it. I could just take my profit here at the double bottoms, though. Yeah, I should have. I should have. All right, let's be patient. Come on. Rip it. Rip right through the 90s here. Just big old red candle, 20-point move. All right, I'm going to lock in this. Oh, come on. Don't take me out now. It was such a good... We were having so much fun. This is such a good time. You don't need to take me out now. No, no. Fine. Fine. It's fine. It's all good. We'll take it. Feel like if I was really wanting to be aggressive, I'd have my stop right up here, the 212s. But hoping we get a big boner or a big red candle here, but nope. Hold the short, I'll be fine. Yeah, I probably would have been. This was a pretty decent hold. But here it goes. Oh, there it goes. Should have held. Look at that. Target would have been filled. Just had a little bit too tight of a trailing stop on that one. Man. Man, that would have been a sick trade. But look at us go. Look at us making progress. We actually took a short trade and it worked. Yeah, Citizen Zero. Yep. You got to be really careful. You have to fill out a spreadsheet for, yeah, exactly. Pine Tree. I could go on and on about it, but I'm not going to. my thing is, hey, if people want to use them, people can spend. I don't feel, how would I say? I'm not qualified to tell other people how they should spend their money. If you want to spend your money and you want to spend it on fast track trading, don't let me stop you. I wish you well. I hope you get a payout. All right, we ripped right through the 170s right here. How much money did we leave on the table here? From the 198s to the 168s, 30 times 4. We left about $120 on the table there by having too tight of a trailing stop. Went short at 220, came back to break even, then dropped to. No way, seek, find, grow. No way. Did it actually tick you out? Let's go, professional day trader. Nicely done. If I use a trailing stop or just a stop, usually I just have a stop, but I will, like, it depends. It really depends on market conditions and what I've kind of, my intuition on if I'm going to try and get a runner going. Okay. See, this would be like if I was aggressive, my next short entry would be around the 200s. I'm not sure if I want to try it or not, but gotta admit that last short was kind of fun. It was kind of fun. And we're just gonna keep drawing lower here. I was hoping we bounce up into the 200s, but lots of red. Lots of red. Where is our next? The next area is probably the 120s. Then why do they need to? Why do they need these? My trades could last longer than 3-minute chart, maybe, possibly. See, if we just keep ripping lower, I mean it looks now the daily chart, if this thing just goes, I mean, we might just have a pretty crazy red day again. Down we go. Let's see when if we test the 120s maybe. Crazy trading 3 or 4 micros. How much money, win or lose? I know, John. I'm just trading 4 micros and it adds up in a hurry. It's crazy. Okay, this looks like it might want to make a move higher now. The other thing that we could, I mean, I'm seriously debating is just calling it a day, honestly. I'm literally stuck on my one account. I cannot trade my one account. No, I'm not saying I can't. I can't get my one account green. I've been going back and forth, and I feel like if I keep trading it, I might end up taking her down. Play the 3-minute gives you the best sustained trades. Need advice on you have 50K in gains. I've been talking trade without adding not even one to winning or losing. I don't need to DCA, still nothing. I'm not sure. Sorry, Faisal. Now what? I'm still under review over 10 days ago, Faisal. I mean, that's not that unusual. Basically, they have until the 31st to approve or deny it. So until the 31st, it's not that unusual. If you haven't been approved or denied after the 31st, that's when you should be worried. Or that's when you can issue a support ticket. But until then, don't like, it's not going to help your case to be freaking out and bombarding support with questions. Just wait till the 31st and then issue support and go from there. But call Daryl directly. Hang on, let me get his number. All right. The bullish part of me, I want to go in on this, see if we can't catch a ride higher. Ugh. But it's so bearish. Not sure how smart that is. Feel like it would be pretty decent odds here, but I'm going to do it. I'm going to have my stop right below the lows here. I'm going to be so frustrated if I I don't like this at all. Watch. It's going to take me out and then it's going to rip higher again. Like it always does. And giving back the gain. Why do I do that? Why? Why do I do that? This is just pure comedy gold right here. Pure comedy right here. What kind of BS is this? Look at that. What the heck? Please go lower. Just go lower. That's all I want. As long as we go lower here, I'm fine. I don't mind. If this thing rips higher right here, then I definitely need to walk away. Jeez. Yeah, let's just go. Let's just call that an accidental trade. Oh. You've got to be kidding me. Go lower. You can do it. This is, dude, please go lower. Please, I beg you to go lower. Look at this bull crap. Absolutely BS. Really? How? How are we doing this? Look. This is not a joke. This is actually real life here, folks. My stop was right there. I don't know, man. Seems a little sus. I really need to. Yeah, it just had to take me out. It just had to. Shameless. Absolutely shameless. But that's actually not that's not cool. Mm. Yeah, I do remember that Seek Find Grow. I do remember saying that. I guess I should have I mean, I guess I don't know. I honestly don't know. I should have maybe just had this stop a little bit lower. I would have been fine. Now I'm actually thinking, gosh. This will be officially my last trade if we get stopped out. Ah, dang it. Ah. Rip it. Rip it. Lower. Let's go. All right. I'm going to take that. Just do the lows. I don't know. That I got to take this call. All right, we're back. Wow, that talk about a red boner candle. That definitely was it. That definitely was a red boner candle. Very bearish. Very bearish here. Up. Hey, how we doing, Upbeat? Last trade on stream. That's true. Uh, I mean, I'm still upset about this trade, though, if I'm being completely honest. I mean, if I just have my stop where I originally, like, if you guys rewind the tape, when I entered the trade right here, my stop was right here at the 143s. If I just leave, and then I moved it up to just below the previous lows. And, I mean, I don't know, whatever. Whatever, man. Hey, good to see you, B. Good to see you. It's been a while. It's been a while. Where you been? The ship is rocking. Don't come knocking. Okay, we are at the 120s. Like we said, the 120s was kind of an area of interest. Hey, you're lurking. Hey, I like lurkers. Lurkers are fine. What made me choose the 2-minute chart? I'm not sure I had any specific reason, but I used the 5-minute, I used 1-minute, and then I started using 2-minute, and I just liked it, and that's what I've used ever since. And now I'm just so used to it. I don't really want to. There's not really a reason to change. Now, see, we get that bounce off the 120s. Man, this is shaping out to just be a like another big sell-off day. Crazy. I got you using the 2-minute. You kind of like it. I don't know. I just don't. I honestly don't think the minute that it makes that huge a difference. It's more just what you're used to. See, we get a move up into this, 150 area again, maybe. All right, getting that move, getting a little bounce here off the 120s. Man, right here at the 150, 160. Okay, now I mean, this is definitely getting a bounce here. I see. Man, right here would be tempting. Man. I feel like if I jump in here short, I'm just kind of, I need to wait till it gets below the 145 here. And even then, not sure if I want to risk it or not. Looks like it might want to go higher. Let's just wait. She wants to rip it. Pretty nice bounce off the 120s right there. Really nice bounce. Oh, excuse me. All right, let's see. If we rip up through the EMA here, I don't know. Maybe this is gonna. Just, man, I don't. Looking pretty bullish here, but we need to get above the EMA. See if we can get above it and hold it. One big red candle like this, it could happen again. That's how the bears like to do it. My roommate in college was a market maker, and he gave me his trade system. Your roommate was a market maker? What? One more dip, guys. Red poker. You're too funny. You're too funny. Is this the trap or is this the big dump? This is starting to look pretty bullish, I will say. I'm not going to short. I'm not going to look for a short here. I'm just going to wait. If this rips higher, so be it. That way I'm not stuck in it. I'm not trapped. If it goes lower, so be it. Sometimes you just got to be on the sideline and watching. All right, here we go. Looks like this thing is going to rip. This is looking like a very... Looks like a bullish move here. Maybe we just grind higher. Yeah, it could just be a little bit of a move higher, trap some longs, and then rip it back down. I could easily see that happening. Regardless, I'm not sure. I'm not gonna call it here. I actually have something I need to do. I gotta make a run. I gotta make a run somewhere. So right now is actually not a terrible time to end stream here and just, you know, take it to the next day. End the day green. I think I will, guys. I think I'm gonna end it here. I'm actually pretty content with my day currently, and if this starts to rip lower, I don't know. Let's just wait. I think I'm gonna end it here. I do have some things I have to take care of today, business related. So I'm gonna do that. It's gonna take me a couple hours to get this done. So, all right, guys. I think I'm gonna call it here. I appreciate everyone tuning in, and we shall be here again tomorrow. Take care, everyone. I hope you all have a great day, and God bless.